Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Chit Chat with Ratan. Today I am going to share with you all a very delicious, healthy, quick and easy recipe for healthy snacks. This is basically a healthy namkeen or mixture recipe. I hope you will like this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So without any further delay, let's get started. Add some rolled oats into it. Roast roll oats for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Don't roast too much. We just need a golden brown color. So rolled oats are roasted now. I am turning off the flame now. So flame is turned off. I am going to add clarified butter or desi ghee. I am going to add first peanuts, because peanuts takes good long time to get it roasted, so we have to keep stirring it on low to medium flame for approximately 4 to 5 minutes. So we have to add the nuts as per their roasting time. So peanuts take more time to roast, so I'm adding them first. Keep stirring it. I'm adding approximately 1/4 tablespoon of mustard seed. Keep stirring it. Flame is on low to medium. Some almond. You can add the nuts as per your choice. I will add 1 tablespoon of roasted chana dal here. If you like, you can add more. I like roasted chana dal, so I am adding 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal or roasted gram. Keep stirring it on low flame. Adding some curry leaves I have taken here. So keep stirring it on low to medium flame. You can hear the bit noise of curry leaves, and the mustard seeds started crackling as well. Keep stirring it on low to medium heat. Just 1 tablespoon of cashew nut into this recipe. If you like, you can add more or less as per your choice. If you want to skip the cashew nuts, you can skip. I'm just adding few cashew nuts in this recipe because cashew nuts are very healthy, but at the same time they are high in calories, so I'm not adding it too much. Nuts are all roasted very well. So now I'm going to add some spices into the mixture. I'm just taking 1/2 tablespoon of pink salt or Himalayan salt, 1/4 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1/4 tablespoon of organic turmeric powder, 1/4 tablespoon of chaat masala, 1/4 tablespoon of amchur powder. These spices are all easily available in Indian grocery store. Now I am going to add 1/4 tablespoon of cumin seed powder, roasted cumin seed powder. So now I am turning back on the flame. Keep stirring it on low flame so that all the spices get mixed up very well into this mixture and cooked well. So just keep the flame on low for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. so that all the spices in this mixture can get mixed well and cooked well. Half a tablespoon of clarified oil into this mixture, and I will add 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. These are very healthy and tasty. And now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. Now I am going to add golden raisins or kishmish. Approximately 2 tablespoons of golden raisins I have added into this recipe. So now you need to keep stirring it. The roasting of pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds take very less time. Raisins doesn't need any roasting. So our mixer is almost ready now. I am going to transfer them into a different bowl. 1 bowl of cornflakes, cornflakes are easily available in any of the Asian grocery store or any grocery store easily. So I am just giving it a good mix for this mixture. There is no need to roast cornflakes. It is the ready-made cornflakes I have bought it. So I am just giving it a good mix. Now I am adding roasted rolled oats into this mixture. Just mixing it well. Look at the crunch and yumminess of this recipe. This is toasted coconut flakes. These are already having some salt into it, sea salt into it. So I am just sprinkling all over this mixture, adding 5 to 6 tablespoons of toasted coconut flakes. It will also add more flavor and crunch to this recipe. Just mix it well. You can store this mixture for approximately 2 to 3 weeks, but keep them in the airtight container and make sure it is tightly closed, no air inside, once it is in the room temperature. In the end, I would like to give you one simple tip, that make sure don't roast your nuts too much, and while you are adding up spices, keep the flame on low so that nothing can get burned. Namkeen or mixture you can enjoy with your tea. I can't wait to have it. I will definitely make a tea now and enjoy this yummy, delicious, healthy snack recipe. Friends, I hope you like this recipe. So please don't go without like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Healthy Chit Chat with Ratan for more health tips, beauty tips, weight loss tips and more delicious healthy twisted recipe. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching.